Today we're making the most delicious little curry, perfect for any day of the week, and so low effort it practically cooks itself. It's easy on the wallet and, would you believe it, completely vegan. We start with the essentials for any great curry. Finely grate or chop 20 grams or 4 teaspoons of garlic and 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of washed, but if you want, unpeeled ginger. Next, dice 100 grams or 1 cup of onion. Any type will do. Chop 3 green chilies, go as hot or not as you like. Peel 200 grams or 1 1/3 cups of potato and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Try to keep them roughly the same size so they cook evenly and quickly. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a generous helping of ghee, canola oil or olive oil, whichever suits your preference, budget or health goals. Once the oil is hot, start by frying the garlic and ginger until fragrant and the raw smell is gone. Add the onions and green chilies to the pan, cooking them until the onions turn translucent. Salt lightly as you go. This helps draw out moisture and build layers of flavor while preventing anything from burning, which could result in sad faces and nasty comments. Once the onions are soft and everything smells amazing, stir in 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it out for a minute. Then add 250 grams or 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and 6 grams or 1 tablespoon of curry powder. This is my homemade pre-roasted masala. The recipe is in the description if you fancy making it. If you're using store-bought curry powder, make sure to cook it out with the tomato paste for a minute to release its full flavor. Otherwise, stir everything together until well combined. Add the potatoes and 250 grams or 1 1/2 cups cooked and drained chickpeas. If you're feeling adventurous, cook your own, but tinned ones are good. Lower the heat slightly and stir to combine. Season with 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of sugar and 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in 400 milliliters or 1 3/4 cups of coconut milk and 100 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of water. Stir everything together. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook while you check the potatoes for doneness every 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent it from catching and to monitor the potato doneness. If you're prone to getting lost in cat memes, set a timer. This should take about 20 minutes, enough time to cook some fluffy rice. Once the potatoes are tender, finish the curry with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and adjust the seasoning. Taste and fine-tune the balance of salt, sweetness and tanginess. They should all work together in tandem. Serve your curry with as much or as little rice as your waist will allow. Then pile on the curry. Sprinkle with some chopped cilantro, otherwise known as soap plant. And just because, add a lime wedge on the side. If you're not worried about the carbs or bulking up a bit, serve with some flatbread or homemade naan. The former a little lighter, but the latter more authentic. Both are delicious. Nicey, tasty. Now go have a happy life.